To start with sambar masala, let's heat up the kadai on medium low. Make sure it's not high. Okay. Now this we are making fresh sambar masala. Nowadays you get powder masala, Everest sambar masala, MDH sambar masala, and there are so many sambar masalas. So you can either use that, but I wanted to, since I've tried something different, so I said let me use this fresh sambar masala. So guys, you also please, after watching this video, try this recipe. Let me know in the comment section. All the ingredients are in the description box. I'm not going everything one by one. Everything is in the description box. As I proceed, you just guys check how what I do, what is the procedure. Okay, take the kadai. Kadai is hot. No need to put oil because we're going to make roast spices, and then we're going to grind it in a mixer. Okay, so take 2 teaspoons of dhania. This is teaspoon. Okay, not tablespoon. Teaspoon. 2 teaspoon of dhania. Now this sambar what I'm making is enough for 10 portion or 10 packs. So 10 people can eat this sambar. So accordingly to that, I'm doing this recipe, this sambar masala. Okay, 2 teaspoon of this, 1 teaspoon of methi dana, then 2 teaspoon of rice, raw rice. Just stir it for a while, for a minute. Before this, we have to soak tur dal. I have the tur dal over here. Okay, now this I have taken 1 vati of tur dal. I've already cooked. I've soaked for half an hour. After that, put in the pressure cooker. Remove 3 sitties, 3 whistles. So dal is already ready. Okay. Then add 3 spoon of chana dal. 3 teaspoon of chana dal. 1, 2, 3. Saute for another a minute. Make sure don't saute on a high flame. Put medium to low. Okay, because we are going to roast. You see the aroma coming. Now when you make fresh sambar masala, the flavor, the taste, everything differs. I know you get in market and bazaar and all. Sometimes we are working people, we don't get that much time. So we intend to use sambar masala powder, or sometimes it is possible we say oh घर पे बाहर का जैसा सांबर नहीं होता है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. में हम लोग जरा गार्लिक डालेंगे और 5 pieces of cloves, 5 to 6 pieces ginger garlic. Okay, saute a little while. The main thing in sambar is this, the masala what we are doing. So keep it on medium low and saute for at least 5 to 8 minutes till you get nice aromatic flavor from the masala. Then add 2 teaspoon of urad dal. Okay, raw. Now I did not soak this. This is raw. Okay, if you want you can soak also and put, no problem. But I just put raw. Even the chana dal, what is over here, this is I got it cooked one, cooked chana dal. Normally we have raw one. So if you use raw chana dal, then we have to soak it for half an hour or 1 hour. Drain the water and then you can use. But since I had this cooked one, I am using this. Okay. Add 2 teaspoon of fresh ground coconut. Saute for a while, along with 7 pieces of Kashmiri chilies. Okay. Now Kashmiri chilies is not that spicy. You can use another chili also, that is not bigdi chili. But I use Kashmiri chili because it gives nice red color for the sambar, and it is not that spicy. Because frankly speaking, I don't like spicy food. I don't like so much. I know, but some dishes, yes, we have to have spicy. That is a different story. Now saute for a while. In that only put some curry patta, around 10-15 pieces of fresh curry patta, that is curry leaves. Okay. Now guys, everything is in my description box, all the ingredients and all. But the method, I didn't put any method because this is live demo, so you can see and follow as it is done. Okay, our masala is ready. Now let it cool and then we'll grind into a powder. Alright, to start with the sambar, same kadai on the gas. And cook the tur dal. Okay, it's already cooked. And then with the help, it's already cooked. I removed 3 cities for tur dal. Now with the help of the churner, just slightly churn it up. Okay, slightly. Don't mash it up. Don't use any whisk, or sorry, don't use any blender or something like that. Okay, just slightly, because you see that dal thing, that has to be a little bit visible. So just churn it up. Okay. Let's proceed with the sambar, the rest of the ingredients. Put oil. Put little bit of jeera, little bit of mustard. Saute. Now my mustard spice is getting little bit cool. I have kept it under the fan. When that's cool, we grind it, the masala, and then we'll add later. Now some people cook the vegetables in the cooker, but I don't like that. I like to cook the vegetables freshly outside along with the spices. Okay. Now vegetables, you can use so many vegetables. Some people use okra, that is lady finger, bhendi. Some people use dudi. Some people use bhopla. Some people use this shaying, that is called drumsticks. Then some people use eggplant, onion, tomato, raw banana. Now here I am using cucumber. Okay, peel the cucumber. Okay, cut into small pieces. Tomato chops, either wedges or cubes. Then I had one raw banana. I used that also. I had this drumstick, one drumstick. Then I had this brinjal. So I cut one brinjal into 4 pieces. So I am using 2 brinjal and 1 onion cut it like this in the cubes. Okay. So these are my vegetables which I am going to use for the sambar. But this one I am not cooking in the cooker. Some people put everything in the cooker along with the dal. But vegetables I like to cook separate. Okay. Because that will give more flavor, more taste, and more crunchiness of the vegetable. You can see the crackling sound coming from the mustard and the cumin seeds. It's hot. Now let's put brinjal slowly. Sorry. Let's put all these vegetables. Tomato I will put after 10 minutes, not now. So tomato I am keeping aside. Okay, tomato we'll put later. Now let's saute this. Now make sure this is on the high flame. Okay. Saute this for 3-4 minutes. All these vegetables on the high flame. Now as I said, I am making this sambar for 10 packs, for 10 portion for 10 people. Okay, some people put potato also, peeled potato. You can put if you like. There is no harm. As I said, each state, each place, each style is different. But this is what I like. I tried this recipe before and my family loved it. So I said, why not share with you. Alright, you see. Now this was on the high flame. Now add turmeric, half teaspoon. Then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, that is I am using Kashmiri powder. I've ground the masala. Let's open now. Wow, nice. Now in this, and let's cook for 2 more minutes before we add stock. Before we add the stock, let's cook for 2 more minutes. Okay, just saute for 1-2 minutes, not more, before I put the water. So make sure everything is done. This is done on the high flame. Don't reduce the flame. I will mention you when to reduce. The flavor, you see the color, it's almost roasted now. Now in this, we'll add 4 glass of water. We'll add 4 glass of water. So I washed this mixer jar and I'm putting the water inside this. If you want, you can add later on more. Then add salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. If you want, you can taste later and then add more if you want to. Now stir. Water will go more. We'll add more water, but I'm not adding now because we have to add the dal which has liquid in that, and after that later on we'll see if we need more, we'll add more. This is the time we put tomato. Put the tomato. Then I have this jaggery water, tamarind water. So just squeeze the tamarind. I took tamarind about small ball. Okay, put in hot water, soak it for half an hour, and then you see, put the tamarind pulp. Okay, along with that tamarind pulp, put jaggery. This is good. Okay, this amount. Okay, now make the gas to medium low and let it cook for 25 minutes. After cooking for 25 minutes, we'll add the tur dal. Okay, and then finish with tadka. So let it put on medium to low. Don't make very high and not very low. Medium to low. If you want, you can put a little more water. 2 glass of water can go inside. But as I said, there is some water in the tur dal. And let it cook for 25 minutes. Till then, let it boil for 1-2 minutes. And then we'll add tadka. We'll give tadka. Okay. I've tasted this, but I need a little more sweet, so I'm putting a little more jaggery. If you want, you taste and see according to your taste. If you want more, little more sourish, little more sweet, you can add accordingly. Okay. But since I said I like sour and sweet, so that's okay with me. But you guys check before you put more jaggery and more tamarind. Okay. Now let it boil for 1-2 minutes. Till then, I'll give tadka. Oil. Make sure the gas is low, otherwise it will spoil on top. Put half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of chana dal. This is the roasted one, cooked chana dal. 1 spoon of urad dal, pinch of asafodia, that is hing, half teaspoon, Let it crackle. Let it crackle, and then we'll put curry leaves. You see the crackling sound? Ready? Let's put the tadka. Turn off the gas. Let's put the tadka in the sambar. Okay. Now we put this tadka in the and cover it. Turn off the gas. Cover it. Don't open and turn off the gas. Keep it covered for 10 minutes. Sambar. Wow. See the steam? It's perfect. Now you do the salt as per your taste. Okay. Let's dish out the sambar now. Sambar ready.